Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to face Facebook lock profile option not showing. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily get Facebook lock profile option. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Facebook application. So just open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile you can see the three lines over here, three dots. Just click on three dot, and once you click on three dot you can see the lock profile option is not here. Now in this video we shall be looking at how you can get your lock profile option. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just open your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store, just go ahead and then search for your Facebook. Now if your Facebook is not updated, you need to make sure you are using the latest version of Facebook. So you have to update your Facebook to the latest version so that you don't miss the new update of Facebook. Now once you are done, go ahead and then open your Facebook application. Now once you open your Facebook, at the upper right corner click on the three lines, and then you can see settings. Just click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on OK. Just click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. And once you click on settings, under audience and visibility you can see followers and public content. Just click on that. Now once you click on that, just wait as it is loading, and you can see the first option over here. Just set it to friends, and once you do that you can see who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Just click on that and then send it to friends. Select friends. Now once you are done, scroll down and you can see over here the next option, set it to friends or friends. And then you can see the other option, public post notification, send it to friends or friends. And here the public profile info, you can set it to friends or friends of friends. Now once you are done, just go back, and once you go back you can see over here post. Just click on post. Now once you click on post, you can see who can see your future post. Just click on that, and then you have to make sure it is on friends. So just set it to friends. Then you go back and then you click on the other one. Just go back, and then you can see over here how people find and contact you. Just click on that, and once you click on how people find and contact you, scroll down and you can see the settings over here. Just click on all the settings and set it to friends or friends. and then set the other one to who can see your friend list. Just send it to friends, or you can select friends. Then who can look you up using the email address. Just select it to friends. And then the last one, you can see who can look you up using the phone number you provided. Just click on that and then select it to friends. Now once you are done, boom, you are done with everything. You are done with these settings. Now just go back, and that's it. By doing all these settings, you can now lock your Facebook profile. This is so amazing, but you need to make sure you have turned off professional mode. So you need to make sure you turn off your professional mode before you can get this option. So if your professional mode is on, you have to turn it off so that you can get this option. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video